I currently only have about 7 hours until Hurricane Ian arrives, and I need to keep my bunnies safe. I already have enough food, litter, and first aid supplies. It's highly likely he might go into GI stasis, so I have critical care and feeding syringes for that. I am most likely going to be staying at home during this hurricane, so I already have enough food and water for Kooky, but my biggest concern is going to be keeping him cold enough, because power will go out and there will be no AC. And as you know, bunnies cannot go above 85 degrees. And if there's no power, it's mostly gonna be like 95 degrees in here. So I wanna go freeze some water bottles for him. So I have packed up some things just in case if I do need to evacuate. But for now, I'm staying at home. So I have a big bag of hay, which you know is very important for a bunny. In this bag, I have some more stuff for Kooky. I have some food, a forage mix, pea pads, and at the bottom is some bedding. In my backpack, I have some treats for him and his first aid kit, and also my camera. This bag just has some of my own clothes. Kooky, what are you doing? Oh, and for now, I am just leaving Kooky inside of his pen. I'm not going to be free roaming him right now because I want to know where he is, just in case if stuff gets bad. And now for what's inside of Kooky's carrier. I'm using his hard-sided carrier for safety. And I also have some ID tags on the carrier as well. How you doing, Kooky? So this is an update. The hurricane has currently already started in my area. The eye of the hurricane is actually going to be heading very close to me. But the eye is not here yet. That will be here in about 2 more hours. So right now it is like storming outside, but it's not the tornado-like winds yet. Things right now are starting to get a bit wild outside, so I'm gonna put Kooky in his carrier. I got some banana for him. Okay. Okay, he's in there now. So right now we are currently in the eye of the storm, so it's very calm. So we went through half the storm, and during that half of the storm, Kooky was hiding in his carrier in the closet, and now I brought him back to his pen so he can get a little bit of exercise and cool down a bit because the power went out and now it's getting pretty hot. And also so he can drink some water and use his litter box. And he's really happy that he came out of his carrier now. But in like 20 minutes, I probably will have to bring him back in the carrier again when the hurricane comes back, because we're currently in the eye of the storm. The windows that are right by his playpen, a lot of water started leaking in, so I put towels here, and this is actually the third change of towels. Another towels got completely soaking wet, and that was also one of the main reasons why I brought Kooky downstairs in his carrier and put the carrier in a closet to protect him, because the window's coming directly towards these windows and it could get broken. Kooky, what you doing? Kooky, what you doing? Yeah, I'll change his litter box and give him some fresh hay to encourage him to eat some hay.